So hello again, and this is CG Disa, and today we're gonna review the United Kingdom Royal Air Force Airbus A330 MRTT Vespina, also known as Boris Force 1. The Royal Air Force VIP Voyager, identified with the military aircraft registration ZZ336 and more recently named by the Royal Air Force or RAF as Vespina since June 2020, refers to a customized RAF Voyager KC-3 owned by Air Tankard Holdings Limited and operated under lease by the Royal Air Force. It is the primary transport aeroplane for the British royal family, the Prime Minister, and British government ministers. The RAF operates a number of Voyagers, which are militarized multi-role tanker transport or MRTT aircraft. Vespina is a specific Voyager KC-3 aircraft painted in a Global Britain livery and fitted with secure satellite communication system, missile detection, 58 business class seats front cabin, 100 premium economy standard seats rear cabin, and media facilities, similar to other dedicated air transports of heads of state and government. The Airbus A330 MRTT is a European aerial refueling and military transport aircraft based on the civilian Airbus A330. A total of 15 countries have placed firm orders for approximately 78 aircraft, of which 60 had been delivered by June 30 this year. With a market share of over 90%, the A330 MRTT has been ordered by customers like Australia, France, NATO's multinational MRTT fleet or MMF, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South Korea, United Arab Emirates, Spain, and Canada. Has a total of 82 aircraft have been sold to date. At this point, you may see the flag of the United Kingdom at the two entrance and exit door, and the logo of the Royal Air Force. Next part is the name of the country, the United Kingdom, but it's too blur because I use only the colored pencil to write the name of the country, and I paste on it. Moving next part, you may see the registration of the plane is ZZ336. The British pronounce the Z ZZ336. It's like ZZ. But for me, you may pronounce, or I can pronounce this into ZZ336. And that the tail part, this is the flag. It represents the United Kingdom. At the right side of the aircraft, these are the cargo doors at the front and the back of the aircraft near the tail. At the last part, this is the tanker of the plane. It uses when the jet fighter are refueling mid-air. So guys, that is our video for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And also, I will put the link in the description on how I make this aircraft. And I hope the video will helps you to make this. Bye bye and stay safe everyone.